Good afternoon. So today we're going to be reading Proverbs 28 verse 23. One who rebukes a person will later find more favor than one who flatters with his tongue. Boy, oh boy. Because I'll be always trying to be nice to people, and I'll just try to be nice, and I can't see how it can come off as something else. But I just noticed that it's a difference from talking to someone and telling them something that they want to hear, opposed to talking nicely and telling somebody what they need to hear. So I had to learn kind of the difference, because this is like a fine line. I don't know, for me it was a fine line. It might not be like that for you, but for me it was definitely a fine line, because I just have to realize, like, it's not what you say, it's how you say it, but you still need to say it. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. Have a great day.